I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can find antilog value without using antilog table. Let us begin. If you have not watched my previous video how to find the log value without using log table, kindly watch that. I will give you the link in the description. To find out antilog value, we are going to use the same table as we learned earlier. Here we have rounded the log value to 100 place. Got it? So one hint you should remember, if you read this table from left to right, you are finding log value. But if you are using this table from right to left, you are finding anti-log values. Remember this hint. Let me tell you how you can find anti-log value for 0.48. Let us take an example. You know how to find out log value of 3. You know that we don't have to move the decimal point either to the left or right because it is kept after the first non-zero digit. So you'll have to write the 0 point, and log 3 value here is 0.48. 0.48. Got it? If I want to find antilog value of 0.48, what should I do? Very simple. Whatever number you have before the decimal place, raise it to the 10th power. I have 0 here. I'm raising to the 10th power. Now, take this 0.48 and then you have to match it here. This 0.48 is here. Locate it. Locate the value of 0.48. So this value corresponds to log value of 3. So here what I have to write is 3.0. You know that when you have to write the answer in scientific notation. So 3.0 nothing but 3 and then 10 power 0 nothing but 1. The final answer what you are getting is 3. Got it? So let me teach you one more example. Then I will teach you how you can find a number which comes between any two digits like this. Let's take one more example. If I want to find out log value of 7.0, apply the rules we learned. Since this decimal place is kept after the first non-zero digit, I will have to get 0 point. Log 7 value here is 0.84. So 0.84. If you find the antilog value, now I'm going to find antilog value of 0.84. Whatever number you have before decimal point, raise it to 10 power along with the sign. Then you have here after the decimal place 84. Now you have to locate where is 84. So this 84 corresponds to 7. You have to write 7.0. You know very well that you write antilog value, you have to use scientific notation. 7.0 nothing but 7, 10 power 0 nothing but 1, 7 into log for any number which comes between these two numbers. For example, if I have 0.65, for this number, I am going to find out antilog value. How I can do that? We are going to find the difference. We have log 5 value, which is 0.70. We are going to subtract log 4 value, 0.60. Why we have chosen these two? Because the number 0.65 comes between 0.60 and 0.70. So if I find the difference, I'm getting 1 is equal to 0.10. Now I'm going to divide it into 10 equal parts. So I'm going to divide both the side by 10. I'm getting 0.1 is equal to 0.01. So this method we learned it in how to find log values without using log table. Now what I have to do, one more step. Find the difference between these two numbers. You have here 0.65 and then the base value here 0.60. Find the difference between these two numbers. So you have got 0.05. I have to get this number. So I'm going to get this number, right? So I need to find a suitable integer by which this can be multiplied. So if I multiply by 5, I will be getting 0.05. The same way, I have to, if I multiply this with 5, I will be getting 0.5. And this 0.5 value corresponds to 0.05. Got it? As this number comes between 4 and 5, take the log value of 4 is 0.60. Now the value we found is 0.5 is equal to 0.05. If I add it, I will be getting 4.5 value is equal to 0.65. So I have found it. So 0.65 now correspond to what? 4.5. This is how we can find antilog value. So let me write. I'm going to find out antilog of 0.65. What should I have to do? What number I have before? 0 before the decimal place. So raise it to the power 10. 65. As it comes between 0.60 and 0.70, the lowest number here is 4. I have to write 4 point. This decimal 10th place, I have to look at which number I used here. 5. 4.5, I have to write 10 power 0 is 1. The answer is 4.5. Let me teach one more example. I'm going to find antilog value of 0.81. Antilog value of 0.81. So raise whatever number you have before decimal point to the 10th power. Now I have to find the value, antilog value of 0. As this number 0.81 comes between 6 and 7, I have to find the difference between log 7 and log 6. Log 7 value here 0.84, log 6 value here 0.78. The difference I'm getting is 0.06. Now, as usual method, I'm going to divide it by 10. I will be getting 0.1 is equal to 0.006. Then I need to find the suitable integer. To get what number, I have to find the difference between this two numbers. This difference I have to get. So here I have 0.81 minus 0.78. Difference I will be getting 0.03. Right. So this difference you write as it is. Now think of a number. Think of a number which gives approximately this number. You can consider a number which gives a closer answer to. It need not always be the same. So if it gives the closest number, that's enough. So if I write a 5 here, I will be getting exactly this number. So I need to multiply this with 5. So I'll be getting 0.5 value correspond to 0.03. And log 6 value. This log 6 value corresponds to 0.78. So if I'm adding it, what I will be getting? I will be getting 6.5. 6.5 value is equal to 0.81. I want to find out what is the antilog value of 0.81. This value corresponds to what? 6.5. So here I have to write the 6.5. So you know 10 power 0 is equal to 1. The answer is 6.5. This is quite easy. You don't have to bother about, you don't have logbook or anti-logbook. Nothing is required. If you know these tricks and if you practice well, it will be very easy for you to do the calculation within a minute. Thanks for watching.